This short guide explains how to buy shares of Meta Financial Group, Inc., a regional bank and financial services company. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CASH, and this walkthrough is educational, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CASH to find the correct listing. Confirm the NASDAQ exchange and company name to ensure you have Meta Financial Group, Inc. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For more details, the eToro link is in the description below.